Yeah, I love it. Kundalini Yoga, the after it's the yoga of awareness, right? And so let's talk about what this awareness is really about. What are we aware of when we do Kundalini Yoga? We're aware of ourselves, aware of the surroundings. What are we really trying to be aware of? Well, one way to look at this is that what we're really trying to be aware of, fundamentally, is about the awareness of prana. So Kundalini Yoga, right? Here's one way to think of it. It's the cultivation and the direction of prana, the vital life force, in the energy body through a process of kriya to create healing and transformation. So look at what this is really saying. It's really about working with prana. In fact, all of yoga, especially in the Western world as we do it, all of the yoga we do, Kundalini Yoga, Hatha Yoga, is all about working with prana. It's the foundation of all yoga practices. It's through the cultivation and in the directing of prana that we actually have the transformation we experience in yoga. If we don't do it consciously, it's still working a little bit because the nature of our energy body will support it. But when we bring more awareness to that process of both cultivation and directing prana through the body, the rewards of Kundalini Yoga really increase. So we're going to really focus a lot about this idea of working with prana, how to work with it more effectively. How do you increase it? How do you cultivate it? How do you hold it? How do you use it? And really, how do you direct it? And this is one of the things that is, I think, like a breakthrough for some of us. The ability to actually direct the flow of prana, which is really what Kundalini Yoga is ultimately about.